Hi guys, my name is Sachi. I'm pursuing BBA LLB Honours from ILC Faculty of Law, Delhi University. Being at the heart of North Campus, it allows you to experience life akin to none others. This is because our institution promises you connectivity and world-class facilities. That is what sets us apart from other law schools.
Hello everyone, my name is Krish Nandwani. I am a first year law student here at ILC, Faculty of the University of Delhi. I'm part of the first batch of ILC and I feel like the best part about being here is being in North Campus. You're surrounded by the best colleges, the best minds of the country. And the name Delhi University, when you come here you realize why this place has so much of hype, because the type of people you will meet here, like I'll give you an example about my class. We are the most diverse set of people in our batch. You look at the history of Faculty of Law, 100-year-old history. Even the Chief Justice of India is an alumni of this college, and that tells a lot about the people who have graced these corridors that you will walk through. Coming upon what we are doing here at 5-year Law, we have done the groundwork as the first batch, and when we move forward, we are tremendously working hard to reach and scale new heights.
Hello everyone, I am Daksha Rawat, currently pursuing BA LLB Honours from Integrated Law Course, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. As I complete my first year here, it has been a wonderful journey of various memories and various achievements. One of the key achievements was my, publication of my paper in NLU Ranchi along with my co-author Avya Sharma from BBA LLB Honours. Throughout the publication journey, we had significant help from our faculty members and even a director. So, the legal databases that had been provided to us like LexisNexis, Manupatra, SCC Online had significantly helped us throughout our research purposes.
Hello everyone, my name is Vani Jain. I am a part of the foundation batch at ILC at Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. The best thing I like about this college is the faculty. We get to study from the most experienced faculty Delhi University has to offer. Secondly, the batch here is extremely diverse. So one thing good about this college is that you get exposed to a lot of different people from different backgrounds. That is a beautiful experience in itself. Third, another thing that I appreciate more about this college is the infrastructure. We have separate student desks at a library, so you can go after your classes to study, and there are good books and e-resources that we have before us. Secondly, there is also a girls' common room, so if the girls need any unwinding, you can definitely go there.
Hi everybody, this is Samvardhan Tiwari. I'm a first year student here at ILC, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi, pursuing BBA LLB Honours. One of the major merits of coming here as a native resident of Delhi only, which I have found spectacular here, is the networking opportunities which you get here as a student. Especially as a first year student, we get to network with eminent students from Campus Law Center, Law Center 1, Law Center 2. Also, Delhi being one of the most landmark locations, especially for law students, as you have major law firms and all the tribunals situated in the state. I think it offers a vibrant opportunity, especially for students who are looking out to pursue careers in the field of corporate law.
Namaskar, I am Gauri Pathak, pursuing BLLB Honours from Integrated Law Course, Faculty of Law, Delhi University. It is a great opportunity for us as we have the culture of corporate and judiciary both here available, as it is a trend of 5-year set up in Delhi University. So it is a great opportunity for judicial aspirants as we get frequent talks and seminars from legal luminaries and people from big field of law like Supreme Court judges and judges from High Court and advocates from various big law firms.
Greetings everyone, I'm Harsh Kumar, pursuing BA LLB from Integrated Law Course, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. I'm a keen debater and my faculties here at ILC always motivated me to pursue debating and moot courts, and with their help I was able to emerge as quarterfinalist in some moot courts or arbitration negotiation competitions or even debates. As law students, it is very important, and our faculties made us realize the importance of these competitions. Our faculties were there with us each and every night, helping us out, having Google Meets and making us practice again and again so that we do our very best, and that's what I personally like about ILC.
Hi guys, I'm Kamna, currently pursuing BBA LLB Honours from ILC Faculty of Law, University of Delhi.
As a person who loves expressing, Samskara, the Cultural Society of ILC, gives me a platform to express myself. With friends coming all across the country from different cultures shows us the beauty ILC